In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files from trash on computer, web browser. If you recently removed something from Google Drive and realized you still need it, don't worry. As long as it's in the trash, you can bring it back in just a few clicks using any web browser on your computer. First, go to Google Drive, open your preferred browser, and head to the Google Drive homepage. If you're prompted to sign in, use the account where the file originally lived, since the trash is specific to each account. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Drive interface with a navigation panel on the left. Next, look to that left-hand sidebar and click Trash. In some regions, it may be labeled Bin, but it's the same place. The trash holds items you've deleted from My Drive and shared folders, typically for up to 30 days before they're automatically removed. Inside Trash, you'll see a list of files and folders along with their original locations and deletion dates, which can help you confirm you're restoring the right item. Keep in mind, this trash is specific to Google Drive. It's different from your computer's recycle bin or trash, and restoring here affects the cloud version of your file. If you use Drive for desktop, syncing will update automatically once the item is restored online. Now find the file or folder you want to bring back and right-click it. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works as well. You can also select more than one item before you right-click if you want to restore several things at once. Take a moment to check the file name, type, and size so you're sure it's the correct content. Finally, choose Restore from the menu that appears. Drive will return the item to its original location, which could be a specific folder inside My Drive or a shared folder where it previously lived. If that original folder no longer exists or you've lost access to it, Drive may place the restored item in My Drive so it's easy to find. After restoring, you can navigate to that location to continue working as usual. That's all there is to it. Remember, trash is meant as a safety net, not permanent storage. Items are usually cleared after a set period, and once permanently deleted, they can't be recovered through trash. Acting sooner improves your chances of success. Thanks for watching. With these steps, you can quickly reverse an accidental delete and get back to work without missing a beat.